What if an Earth-sized planet 12 light-years away might be a prime candidate for life, and it barely gets any starlight? This is Teegarden star B discovered in 2019 by hunting tiny wobbles in its star's motion. The planet sits incredibly close to us in cosmic terms, only about 12.5 light-years away. It's almost exactly Earth size, roughly 0.9 to 1 times Earth's mass, which makes it one of the most Earth-like exoplanets by size known to date. But being Earth size isn't the wild part. It orbits a tiny, ultra-cool red dwarf once every about 4-9 days, so a year there is shorter than a week for us. Because the orbit is so tight, the planet sits inside the star's habitable zone, meaning liquid water could theoretically exist, even though the star is only a few thousandths as bright as the sun. Here's the twist: the star gives almost no visible light, so day and night on that world would be stranger than you think. Its closeness likely locks the planet into synchronous rotation, which means one face bakes in perpetual daylight while the other freezes in permanent night. The best chance for temperate conditions is a narrow twilight ring between them. Another insane factor. Because Teegarden's star is ancient, estimates put its age at about 8 to 10 billion years, the planet could be extremely old too, giving any life there a long time to evolve if conditions were stable. And unlike many red dwarfs, Teegarden's star is unusually quiet. It shows much lower stellar flare activity than younger red dwarfs, which improves the odds that an atmosphere could survive on the planet and not be stripped away by intense radiation. Finally, it's one of the best nearby targets for future telescopes to search for atmospheres. Because the star is so dim and small, a planet blocks a relatively big fraction of its light during transit, and instruments like the James Webb Space Telescope or ground-based giant telescopes might be able to detect signs of an atmosphere or gases like oxygen and methane if transits occur. So, Earth size in the habitable zone, ancient system, low flaring, and sitting just 12.5 light-years from us, Teegarden star B checks a lot of boxes that make scientists salivate, curious if it really could host life. Follow for more space deep dives and tell me in the comments, would you visit Teegarden star B if you could?